Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, that's those two cut. Now I'm just going to measure down from the tops, which are, that's right, measure down from the tops. No, because that's the cut ends, I'm going to measure up from the bottom, which are the square ends. Right, measure up from the bottom, so that then is fixed on these two parallel and at exactly the same height. So I'll do that. These are just a 6 1/16. 6 1/16 wide. So I'm going to call it 6 inches. Okay. Now the bottom is going to be exactly 12 inches. Right. Got to come down a bit. Right. What I'm going to do, before I do anything else, is make sure that is 12 inches to the ruler with the end stop up against the tape. Reason for that is because the end wobbles about a bit. Okay, so if you do it like that, then you know for certain it's going to be that length. If you do it that way, you don't know what that gap is, so it could be anything. And the way you catch it when you're pulling on the timber like that, it may pull all the way out, it may not, so you could be as much as 1/8 of an inch out. So always up against whenever you can, and adjust to the measurement that you want. Right, that's the measurement I want on that one, so I'm going to mark that. I know it's a pen, should use a pencil, whatever. Right, anyway, do the same with this one now. I want 12 inches this side. Just there. Okay, that's 12 inches there. Now don't worry, I'm not going to have it supported purely on these two. These are for strength, because there will be, I'll just go and get it, shall we, a minute. There will be another piece of this like that. You can't see that one very well, so I'll do it this side. There you go, be like that, and that will give it extra support, and this will then be screwed into the base. It's a fixed whatever this bit is called, gantry, and there will be that's the Y, the X table will move in and out, so that I haven't got to worry about these being moved in parallel. Right, now then, let's get these screwed down, and we'll go and get my trusty electric drill. didn't do Blue Peter as a kid, so none of this, here's one I did earlier. Right, now then, some screws. Right, now then, I'm going to show you the sticky stuff. And it's the normal glue that I always use, general purpose, and it's holding my lab together, it's going to be holding the car together, my nice EV. Right. And then lift that up, go by the line, square it up, perfect, smack on the line, I'll just turn you around a fraction so you can see what I'm up to. That's better. Yep. I'll put that screw in there. And here we go. Right, let's get it started into the wood. Make sure dead square. Oops. Right. Don't worry if they go a fraction below the surface, that's fine. Number 3. I should probably do this in several videos, this section, I don't know yet. It'll depend on, excuse me, it will depend on what, Raymond? It'll depend on something. Okay, trusty glue again. Yeah, I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, you should use wood glue and you should use this and you should use that. Well, I'm not rich, and I go with what I can afford, and that's what this project, my Nicely EV, is all about, is recycling and only doing what people can afford. Okay. I'm pressing down to hold it in position, and screw that one right in. I got the squareness off that one. Check. Yep. Right. I'll bring the other one into view so you can see I just do the last one. And that is that. I'll see if it goes the right way around. There you go. Right. Oh, I know what that is. Right. That's a bit tight at that end. But I got the carriage working much smoother than that. So there you are. As I said, I should be putting that there like that, so that it'll have the strength of the 1.5 by 1.5, and if Raymond gets it in camera, there we go. It won't be that tall, it'll finish there. And it'll be, as I say, secured to the base. Excuse me. Right. Well, the reason this is so high here is so that I can put an L-shaped piece in to carry the cable backwards and forwards, so it doesn't tangle up with anything. Just make it nice and neat, and so there's no stress on the cables. I found some controller software on the internet, and I'm hoping to use Mach 3 through Arduino, but I found another simpler software. But if it'll take VCarve files and convert it to Gerber files, I think they're called Gerber files, for CNC for the Mach 3, then that'd be brilliant. Other than that, I shall just use the Gerber code library, I think it's called, for the Arduino. But we'll see. What I'll do is I'll go and get the base, just to give you an idea of how this will look like on the base. I'll just take you back for that. If you got, no, that's back, Raymond. That's right. Okay. Now let's go get the base. This, I think, is 2 foot by 2 foot. Take the notes of the drawings on there. This will be mounted in the middle, and that's why the X table will go that way. And I've got a little idea, whether it'll work or not I don't know, for the underneath. It's not going to sit flat like this, because I'm going to have some more 1.5 by 1.5 making a square for the base to sit on, so that the side, like that, will go down and screw into the 1x1, 1.5 by 1.5, and this 1.5 by 1.5, so it's all nice and solid, sturdy, and won't fall apart. Now, where I'm going to put it when I've built it is a whole new ballgame, because my flat isn't very big. That's one to think about. Okay, right, I'll let you go, and as I said, this might go up in 2 videos, I expect, but that'll depend on how long it turns out when I get it ready to go up on YouTube. Alright then, oh, and by the way, don't forget, I know nothing. I want to thank all my subscribers, they're fantastic. Everybody who views my files, everybody who views my videos, and really special thanks to Patrick and Renona for all their help, because they're in touch with me every day, helping me with different things. I've got about 5 different projects for the my ICV on the go at the same time, and this is one of them. So once this is built, it will help me do the others as well. But then once this is built, I'll probably find another half dozen projects to do at the same time. Keep me busy, won't it? Well, at least it'll keep me off the streets. Okay then guys, nice talking to you. See you on the next one.